Hi, sweet ones, and welcome to this week's guided meditation. Find a comfortable place to sit or lie down. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Feel yourself settling into this moment, into the here and now. The world outside may be shifting, changing, unraveling, but within you, there is a sanctuary, a fire that does not burn out, but fuels your path forward, a stillness that cannot be shaken. Let's begin by bringing awareness to the body. Breathe in deeply, and as you exhale, let go of any tension in your forehead. Breathe in again. Release the tightness in your jaw. Let your shoulders drop, your hands soften, your belly relax. Let your legs get heavy. Breathing in and breathing out. Feel the weight of your body being fully supported by the earth beneath you. The earth has held revolution after revolution. She has witnessed the rise and fall of systems, the shifting of civilizations, and she remains steady. Feel that steadiness beneath you now. As you breathe, imagine a fire glowing deep in your belly. This is your power, your life force. With every inhale, the fire grows warmer, stronger, but never out of control. With every exhale, it spreads through your body, filling you with clarity, resilience, and strength. This is not a fire of destruction. This is a fire of creation, a fire that transforms, burning away fear, doubt, exhaustion, and leaving behind only truth, purpose, and unwavering light. As you sit with this fire, become aware of anything you are carrying that no longer serves you. Old fears, old narratives, the weight of a world designed to keep you small. With your next inhale, name one thing you are ready to release. And as you exhale, imagine the fire consuming it, not in anger, not in resistance, but in transmutation. Let it burn away. let it be turned into something new. Now inhale deeply and call in what you need: strength, clarity, sovereignty. Feel it entering your being, becoming a part of you. In this space of stillness, a presence approaches, a guide, a warrior, a being of higher wisdom who has walked this path before. Feel them arrive, strong, unwavering, full of knowing. They have a message for you, something your soul has been waiting to hear. Allow yourself to listen. Open your heart, your mind, your spirit. What did they say? How does their energy feel? Take it in. Let it anchor in your bones. Breathing in and breathing out. Repeat the following affirmations either silently or out loud. I am sovereign. My energy is mine to command. I hold the fire of transformation with wisdom and grace. I nurture myself so that I may sustain the revolution. I build the world I want to live in with every choice I make. I am discerning with my energy, my time, my mind, my spirit are sacred. I transmute fear into power, doubt into certainty, resistance into creation. I am deeply connected to my highest guidance. I trust the path unfolding before me. Rest is my resistance. Peace is my power. Clarity is my strength. I do not burn out. I burn brighter. My energy is infinite when I am aligned. I rise. I create. I lead. As you prepare to return to waking consciousness, take this wisdom with you. You are not alone. You are part of something greater. Feel the fire still glowing in your belly, a steady flame that will guide your steps. And now make a commitment to yourself. I will move with wisdom. I will not be distracted. I will nourish my spirit. I will hold the fire and build the new. Feel these words embedding into your being. Take a deep, grounding breath in and exhale slowly. Slowly begin to bring awareness back to your body. Wiggle your fingers, your toes. Roll your shoulders. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Carry this energy with you. Walk with the fire. And know that you are exactly where you're meant to be.